Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here, and in today's edition of What's on the Porch, I have my very first Shop Miss A haul. I cannot believe that I have waited this long to get on the Shop Miss A bandwagon. I was watching Andy at Andy Does Stuff. I will have her link down below, and she was talking about several things on the Shop Miss A website that she loved. And of course I picked up some of those and some other goodies that I found. So let's get right into it. I've already taken it out of the bag that it was in, and look at how this is packaged. Very, very nice. It is just like a blow-up raft. I could just throw this in the river and it would just float with no problem. I don't know, y'all. I don't know where my mind goes. So let's see if I can pull these out without breaking it. I mean, it is jammed in there very tight. Alright, y'all. I got a whole table full of stuff. The first thing that I got was this AOA Studio Dermaplaning Face Razor. Seamlessly remove facial hair and peach fuzz. I like how big it is because when you have the little bitty razor and you're trying to do this part of your face, it takes a while. So I was thinking, shh, you know, just get it done quickly. Or, you know, you can put it in your purse and use it as a weapon. I don't have the prices in front of me of what I paid for everything, but I don't have anything on the table that was over like $1.50 or something like that. Everything on their website is super incredibly cheap. The next thing that I got was this Argan Oil brush soap. I don't think that that was what I ordered, because I have some of their brush soap. Oh, that smells really good. I thought I ordered makeup sponge soap. Was what I thought I was ordering. I know lots of people say that this is really good brush soap, but that was not what I was ordering. Oh my gosh, that smells good. One moment, please, while I go look and see what the heck I ordered. So I am correct. I ordered the Paw Paw Sponge Cleaning Soap Rose Scented. And this is Rose Scented, but this says Argan Oil Brush Soap. But I mean, it was only, well, that was $1.55. But I mean, that's fine. I guess soap is soap, but I may go back and try to get that again. And the razor is $1. The next thing that I got, and I ripped it when I was pulling it out the bag. This is a bamboo rack. It has the little pieces so that you can put it together. I'm going to have to get a hammer to hammer that in, but just to give you a general idea of what that looks like, it's like that. After I put it together, and then you can put your eyeshadow palettes in it or other things, but I need something to sit on my vanity to put eyeshadow palettes in. That'll go together real easy with a hammer. Those were $1.33 each, and I got 2 of them. I don't know if you can see the eyeshadow palettes. What is happening? I can't see the monitor, so I don't know. Yeah, there it is. You can see how they have a palette in there. And then, because I'm a weirdo, I got this ceramic toothbrush stand. The only problem is that's a really big hole for a toothbrush handle. And the reason that I got this is because, and why I say I'm a weirdo, that's nice and heavy. This was $1, and I got 2 of them, is because I keep a toothbrush in my shower. I like to brush my teeth while I'm in the shower. A lot of people find that odd. If you brush your teeth in the shower, give me a comment and a like. Anyway, I thought that this would be nice to put in the shower to stand my toothbrush up in, or I can put lip balm in it. Anyway, ceramic toothbrush holder. Got 2 of those. And then Andy had these drawer dividers, and I thought that that was very interesting. I need some drawer dividers. These were $1 each. And I got 2 of them because I have makeup drawers that I can organize. These are plastic. Huh. Well, that's exciting. And then, you know, socks and other unmentionables. So I'm excited about those. Maybe I should have gotten more than 2. What else did I get? I got a lip spatula. Look at how teeny baby cute that is. A little bitty baby lip spatula. Because I have this Truly Pineapple Haze lip glossy butter stuff with the CBD in it, and it's like whipped, but it's hard to get out of there. So I ordered this little teeny tiny lip spatula. How freaking cute is that? It says mini makeup spatula, but on my invoice it says a lip spatula, and this was $1. Darn, I wish I'd ordered a couple more of those too, because that would come in handy. And then I got a silicone body scrubber. This, you know, to do your back and stuff, because I'm single, and the cat's, you know, claws and such, and it just doesn't work. This was $1.88, y'all. And it's got, do we want to take it out of the package? Let's unbox it, shall we? It's got handles and little soft scrubby things. Oh, that's going to be nice. Did you just see one of the little nubby things break off and fly at me? I have to look for that on the replay. Anyway, that's not bad for $1.88. I give that a shot. And then I just thought that these looked interesting. These AOA Studio eyelashes. They were $1.33, and they have a very, very thin band on them. I do not like the really thick eyelash bands. And oh, they have the bunny on them. I did not know that they were cruelty-free. That's nice. They're really pretty. Alexis. And I wanted to try some of their makeup, so I just picked up 2 of their single shadows. This is Ice Queen, and this is Chambers. Champers. Champers? Champers. These, did I say these were $1 a piece? They were $1 a piece. Let's swatch it. And that's nice. They have the shade name on the back. Ice Queen. Ooh, what? Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. For $1? What? That's $1, y'all. $1. Okay, let's see what Champers. Let's see what that looks like. This is a really pretty, like, peachy pink. Oh, that one's nice too. Ooh, wow. I'm impressed for $1. Okay. And then, of course, you know, everybody rants and raves about these Paw Paw Wonder Blenders. So I had to try one of those since I was ordering. This is $1.55. And of course you could buy a bigger bag. That is super incredibly soft. And it's got little wrinkles and stuff in it because they were packed in that bag pretty doggone tight. But that's alright, so I'm excited to give that a try to see if that is worth all the hype that I keep hearing about. All of the rest of the items that I got are brushes because Andy said that their brushes were really good, especially for like shimmers and stuff like that, so I wanted to try them. All of the brushes that I'm going to show you were $1 except for this. This is a duo and this is $2. This is the Kabuki brush duo. Alright, so this is the Kabuki brush duo and it has the little boot on it. That has a nice angle and it's soft but it's dense. That's nice, I like that. And this is the brush that came with it. This is a high definition brush, it says. And that looks like a nice concealer brush is what I would use that for, or whatever. I don't normally use my brushes for how they're intended. And this is supposed to be a precision pencil brush, but if you can see it's bent. It's a little wonky donkey, so, but that's alright, it was only $1. This is supposed to be a smudge brush, but it is a sponge and it is very, very hard. So I don't know. I feel like it would be good though to smudge out like your eyeliners and stuff, duh. But I was thinking, I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm going to try that. And then we have a tapered large pencil brush. That's really nice. And I don't know why I ordered a highlighter brush. I have plenty of those, but okay. I must have been drunk shopping. And then these are the little flat shader brushes that Andy was talking about that she loves to use with her shimmers. They are very nice. Those are the small ones, and then she got the large ones too. And because Andy got 2, I had to have 2 as well. But that is nice if you're doing a look and you don't want to switch brushes. You can just use a different brush, so that's really nice. So there we go. That's my Shop Miss A haul, my very first one. And my email says that I spent $27.95. I did pay $4.95 for shipping for a total of $32.90. And they had package protection available so that if anything was damaged. And my favorite item is this little teeny tiny lip spatula. I mean, how awesome is that? So thanks so much for hanging out with me and watching me unbox my first Shop Miss A haul. Before you go, make sure you show that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for, pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, here's your makeup tip. If your highlighter is not blinding enough to cause an accident, you're not doing it right. If your highlighter is not blinding enough for you to use as a superpower, you're not doing it right, because you should be able to go wha-pow and just take somebody out or cause mayhem. That's what your highlighter is supposed to look like. Okay, boo? Mama loves you.